I'm Homeboys Barbershop.
Forever, do you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, yeah.
And he's
You feeling?
Oh yes, I do.
So after the disaster of Theodore's last haircut, I decided to officially retire from the game and hang up the Daddy Clipper barber services.
Watch out, watch out.
I am. Just gonna film a bit inside. Is that alright?
Hey, look at
There you
this.
go. Say hi, Haze.
Hi.
Have you asked your barber what his name is, T?
So what's your name?
I'm Homeboys Barbershop.
Homeboys Barbershop.
There we go. Look at you, T. You're on a high chair.
This is a wicked little barbershop, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in a nice spot. Whoa, T. Oh, this is cool.
You know this is his first haircut.
It is, yeah.
I cut his hair up until this point, but like, I can't keep cutting his hair forever. Do you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, yeah.
And how old are you, T?
How old are you, darling? Yeah.
Oh, so he's growing now. He'll need a basic cut.
That's
Yeah,
it.
he needs to get into the barber at some point. You know what I mean?
I'm not free.
You're free.
But I was 2 a minute, but I turned 3 on my birthday.
You did. Oh, you're doing so well, Fee. Good job. How you want your hair, Fee?
Just
Just neat up.
Just a little bit older.
like maybe trees like
Just a
maybe
little
one
bit
thing,
older.
man.
Whatever you think will look good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do, whatever you know what I mean? Whatever you feel like doing, man.
Yeah, it's just. Isn't he doing well, Hazel? Say go, good job, Theo. Say good
mate.
job, Theo.
Maybe he might.
Your eyes are so bright.
I know they are. This is you, huh?
That's why his eyes are so white.
Yes.
I don't think. What's your name, mate?
Sanjay.
Sanjay. I don't think Sanjay was talking
Well
about
done,
mine,
T.
T,
Sanjay is talking about Melody's eye.
Yeah. Oh, T, you're gonna get. What are you gonna get? Some ice cream.
What are you gonna get?
A new scoop bar.
And I got
Wow, you look good, T.
You look good already.
Yeah, Mummy's very proud of you. Well done, darling. You're doing a good job.
where did Chichi news?
What's
Where
that?
did Chichi news?
Tell Theo you're proud of him.
You do a lot of like boys.
Yeah. Tell Theo you're proud of him. Go on, tell him.
I'm proud of
Yeah, go
you, Theo. I'm proud of you. Oh,
It's not finished yet, don't worry.
Yellow feet car.
You're sitting so still, Thee. You're doing a good job.
What then?
yeah,
Try off.
Is Sanjay doing a good job? Is he gentle?
Yeah, he's more gentle than Daddy T. Yeah, he don't like the hair going in his mouth.
Yeah.
But so don't worry about it.
You're doing very well, darling.
Oh, shut your eyes, please. Don't let it go.
Boy.
Don't let it go inside of your eyes.
Well done.
T, you're doing such a good job.
I'm very impressed.
Oh, you also cry?
I'm so
That is good in his ear?
Yeah.
So, he never used. That's not true.
Oh.
This is the best he's ever sat.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You really want to come to the barber?
That's it. Good boy, take care.
You're doing such a good
No
job.
more daddy's cut.
Yeah.
Nah, that's it, I'm retired.
Yeah.
And the professionals do their thing, man.
Oh yeah.
that's
Get one of
right.
these.
Yeah.
Next time, Theo, you can come in
I
and
think
fit.
T's getting number 4, I'm not sure.
Next time.
Next
you
time
come
we'll
in
get a
and
number
fit.
9, innit?
Well done, Theo, well done.
So you guys enjoying Jamaica?
Yeah.
For real?
We're happy. Do you, Hazel, do you like Jamaica?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What do you like about Jamaica?
The butterfly and the plant.
Butterfly and the what?
The plants.
Oh yeah?
That's nice. What a nice thing to say.
You know, we saw a butterfly in the garage yesterday. It was about that big.
I'm glad I weren't there.
It was like about as big as a bird, man.
Yeah.
Butterfly?
Yeah, you ever like, you know the ones that are like this big?
The big,
Yeah.
big
What
one.
color?
It was like black and then you know like a dark maroon.
Oh, that one is we call them bats. Yeah.
A bat butterfly.
Yeah, it's a bat.
Yeah, do you know what? I thought it was a bat when it first came out.
Yeah.
And then it come back in and it was obviously a butterfly.
Glad I weren't
It's a
there.
bat.
And it was a
Yeah,
big
me.
butterfly.
You saw
was
it,
a,
didn't you?
Yeah, but when I was in the
It's
car.
okay? It's fine? Alright.
You're alright, you're doing a good job. You're just thinking about that new scooter, aren't you, mate?
And the ice cream.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let's think about the ice cream.
See, Daddy can watch the football as well while
I'm
we're eating
having
that.
a new
Yeah.
scooter. I'm having a new scooter too. When my heart was
It's a
going.
spot, isn't it? You've got the bar there and the
I'm
foot.
having
Yeah.
a scooter
And like,
too.
you've got, obviously got the Barbers.
Hey, I'm
yeah.
having a scooter too, you know.
Say Sanjay, saying.
Hey Sanjay,
Yes?
I'm gonna get a scooter too. With all that hard work with Sharon.
She's going to get a scooter because she did all this hard work with Sharon.
Oh yeah?
She knew that T was getting a scooter today if he got his hair cut.
Yeah.
So she went outside and did some sweeping.
She was working in the yard out the
cleaning.
front
Oh yeah.
with with a woman that we live with. And T, you got to relax, man.
That's it. Perfect.
Good boy.
Good job, Theodore.
You did some good, man.
Yeah. No TikTok, nothing.
No. Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Wicked, man.
Yes, fully organic.
I'll be back. Wait, listen, look. I'm going to be back next week to get
Let the YouTubers decide
Drake
what.
beard.
What do you think
that
Toby
Drake
should
beard.
get?
Oh, you want me that break next week?
Yeah, wait.
You need your
I'm not-
hair doing.
Yeah, my hair. Look at the state.
Have you ever done a white guy's hair before?
Yeah.
Have you?
You get yours done.
Look at the state of the-
Comment below. What should
look
Toby
at the
get done
state
to
of my
his
bald,
hair?
man.
Yeah, man.
I don't usually, because since we've been in Jamaica like 4 months and I've had a haircut.
Yeah.
So it's like,
You need it.
I need it, yeah.
Maybe just the sides though.
Yeah, do you reckon? Maybe I should get like a Mohican.
Nah.
What?
No, you do you. It's your hair. To be honest, it's your hair. You do whatever you
I
want to
need all
do.
this weight. I'm going, obviously, I say I'm receding, which is a bit of a lie. I've receded. It's receded. I'm past the receding stage. Next is full baldness.
Is there any people feet?
Like,
there
you know,
any what?
You got to enjoy it while you got it. That's what my mum always said.
Yeah.
I don't know. You're right.
Boy, you
You're
look
doing
Wicked,
fantastic.
man.
You're doing so good.
Yes,
Hey, you think you look wicked and bad? No.
I think he looks wicked. It looks bad.
That's nice. You hear all that air? It blows the hair out the way.
Yeah.
It's too loud.
Alright, so you got to stay still now, buddy.
Good job. Good job. Sorry, Mel. Good job, T.
Think about rolling, T, on that new scooter.
Oh yeah.
How sweet it's going to feel just gliding along.
I'm just let you shower.
You're
How long
such
you
a
been
good
here,
boy,
Sanjay?
T.
2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
Don't swing on my bag, Haze. Only because you're pulling.
Been like a barber long?
Oh yeah, 20 years.
Oh,
How
wow.
old are you? 22?
Yeah, man.
I thought you were 20.
You don't look
Oh,
old
that's
enough.
nice.
Sanjay does not look old enough to have a career of 22 years in
That's
barbering.
true.
Oh,
There
yeah.
you go.
I start from 14.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
Wow, that's a long tape.
Stay still, T. Stay still, remember. You're doing really good, darling. You're doing so good. Oh, TT, you're doing really well.
He's a star boy.
He is.
Yeah, he's a star boy.
Good boy. Do you know, Mummy's very proud of you. You're doing brilliant.
I know, do you know what? I'm really enjoying watching him get a haircut.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's usually such a painful experience, and you've probably heard this a million
Maybe you don't got
times.
the right tools.
Yeah.
You've got the right touch as
I
well.
think it's
And not the right touch too.
Yeah.
I'm usually trying to wrestle his head. I don't have that.
Yeah, but you're not the first. A lot of parents do that, you know.
You're doing so well, T.
Until
I'm really proud of you, man.
Yeah. Let me get back a bit and get some
What
other
shot?
shots.
Look at me.
Sweet.
up there.
Mom, look
Yeah,
at me.
Now, so I think you will move back, probably give it 5 years. I reckon you'll.
We'll get your mum out here as
But
well.
we're trying to get my mum. We're trying, but
you have to tell her that out here is nice.
Yeah, man.
well, that's it.
You call up there. Yeah, Kelly said up on the hill.
Yeah.
Got another name though.
There you go.
Whoa.
Looking good.
Cheese,
I like Maypen. I work there
cheese
now.
and pickle.
Yeah, I work in Maypen. You know where the hospital is?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I work like opposite the hospital. There's a new plaza.
Oh yeah. What you
Yeah.
guys do over there?
So I'm like I do foot care. So I'm a podiatrist. So anyone with like foot issues,
Oh yeah.
yeah, that's what I do. That's what I treat. I always say, like, you know, an optician looks after eyes.
Yes,
A
yes.
dentist looks after teeth.
You look after
I look
foot.
after feet. That's
Yeah.
it. T, you look good. You're
You
sitting
do
so
good
nice.
business in Mandeville though.
Yes, I do one day in Mandeville, one day in Maypen, and I'm gonna start one day in Kingston.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I move around a little bit, but
Yeah.
it's good.
Yes, yes.
I've just started work, and yeah, it's going well.
How do you feel like you look, T?
Mind your hands, mind your hands. You look so nice, darling.
Oh yes, T.
You look
Well done, man.
Oh! Smile for me, T. Yay! Oh, you've done such a good job.
I can tell, man, Jamaica is a place for you.
Yeah.
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 Really cool.
I've been to America though.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, Jamaica's the place to be.
Oh man, Jamaica
Yeah.
is so nice.
Yeah, it's amazing, man. Every day summer.
Yeah.
Every day is summer.
That's a good thing.
That's how it feels to me.
Yeah.
Because it is to
Yeah,
where we're from.
Cold.
Yeah, the weather here, you just wake up in the morning and you're fired up just because it's bright, it's warm, it's
Yes.
nice. You're doing a good job, T. Hey, stay here, please.
Yeah, stay close.
Yeah, stay where I can see you.
You're so pretty that was steal you.
Yeah, probably.
So wait here.
Hey, when Daddy was moving closer, I tipped a little bit.
You kicked, did you?
So happy Father's
Tip.
Day tomorrow, man.
Thanks, man. You
Yeah,
have
man.
kids.
Aw.
Yeah, man.
Oh, how many you have?
Two big girls. Bigger
nice.
than me.
Nice.
I'm a
Good
girl,
man.
and Theo
I respect that. I
a
love
boy.
to hear that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love
and
it.
Theo
Hear
is a
people when they got
boy.
real.
Yeah. Oh, T. Yes, T. Close your eyes, darling.
Hopefully you three all have a few kids.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Yeah, man. One day. Get that. Look. You missed him. Square.
Hold on. I'm gonna blow you now, T. I'm gonna blow you
Yeah,
up.
don't worry about the blow.
Does it tickle?
Alright, T?
Whoa.
Come down.
Do you want to have a look in the mirror?
You wanna look in the mirror? Come here.
Have a look in the
Come
mirror.
here, son. Take your time.
What
You
do you
like it?
think?
Good.
Yeah?
Mummy will
Yeah.
film it and then-
Uh-huh.
Just slow and gentle.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
That's it. Go on. All the way, that's it. Keep going, keep going. Yay.
Whoa, look at that.
Well done,
haircut, man.
T.
You look like a new man.
Oh,
Yay. How are you feeling?
Oh, yes, I do.
How are you feeling?
Is this still my forehead?
It is your forehead, darling. How do you think?
Give it, Sanjay. Give him a tip.
Yeah, I will. How was it for you? T? How was it getting your hair done?
I didn't get that cheesy. Or, she said...
Yes.
Yeah, alright, pretty girl.
Respect, respect. Ah, she's gone.
You missed your fist pump.
Come on.
Thank you so much.
Come on in.
Thank
Come on,
you.
'cause you got a client.
We'll see you again soon.
Thanks, mate. Thanks a lot. We're going to get your,
Scooter.
and it's called you, because I didn't even know. What's it called?
M51.
M51 apparently. M51. We're coming for ya.
Careful, careful.
Sorry.
Careful.
Scooter!
Alright.
Where's the one with the lips?
So which one do you want, Tina?
That one.
Oh. Hazel, so how do you feel about this new scooter?
It looks like my pink dress.
What have you got on your scooter? What's that picture of down
Princess. When I had that princess dress, I was a princess.
Alright, wicked. Well done on getting a haircut, mate. Respect. What are you getting?
Ice cream.
Oh my lord. What?
I'm ordering.
Get!
YouTubers.
I'm ordering ice cream.
Alright, shall we have a look?
Let me have orange.
Whoa! Go on then, what are we getting?
Sorrel.
So please, say please.
And strawberries. And someone.
Oh, whatever, you know, anything pink. Oh, okay.
Mine wasn't. It was about to cross into the car, but I stopped it.